Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to save Excel document as PDF file. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Microsoft Excel workbooks, spreadsheets, and PDFs are two of the most popular and commonly used type of files in the business and academic world. At one point or another, you've probably had an Excel file that you've needed as PDF, either a single sheet of the entire Word. But did you know that you can save an Excel as PDF file directly from Microsoft Excel? So in this video, I will show you how to do it. So first of all, we have to open our Excel. You can open your Excel document that you want to save as PDF, like this one for the example. I want to save this Excel workbook as PDF file. So you can click on File on the ribbon menu. Now you can click on Save As. You can choose on the folder where you want to save it. Now you can create the file name. On the Save As type, you can just click on that and you'll find there is an option PDF. You can just choose on PDF. After that, you can just click on Save. So now you have saved your Excel document as PDF file. Here's the result. It's so simple, right? So that is how to save PDF file as, I'm sorry. Yeah. So that is how to save Excel document as PDF file. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.